Hi, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me today. So happy Thursday. I hope you're all doing well. Let's check in with some messages today. So we're beginning with the angels of light. We're going to get some messages from the angels for you. And so what do you need to know regarding your day today? What's coming in for you? What do the angels of light want you to know today? Okay, creativity. So the angels suggest that you explore your creative potential now. Creativity is an energy for adventure and change. It may herald a new idea, inspiration for a book, an artistic vision, or a new project. Let your imagination flow. If you do not know how to channel the force, you may feel restless or dispirited. So ask your angel to help you direct your creative energy towards something worthwhile. 111 on the counter. The angel wisdom reminds you that you are a co-creator with the divine. Use your power with wisdom and joy. Today's affirmation on this card is I enjoy my creative powers and use them for my highest good. There we go. In the bottom of the deck, we have Archangel Zadkiel. So Archangel Zadkiel will help you find tolerance and forgiveness. He works on the ruby ray. Let me begin that again. He works actually on the violet ray of purification and transmutation, helping you to release lower vibrations and ascend to a higher way of being. Angel wisdom suggests that you visualize yourself in the violet flame and invoke Archangel Zadkiel to help you. Place your troubles and difficult relationships within the flame so that all negative energy is transmuted. You are blessed to have drawn this card today, for it indicates that you are ready to walk the path of light. The affirmation on this card, I am cleansed with the violet flame. So Archangel Zadkiel is helping you find tolerance and forgiveness in this situation. Whatever the situation you find yourself in today, Archangel Zadkiel is helping to clear the negative energy around you. So place your troubles and difficult relationships within the violet flame, because this is helping to transmute that energy. It's also going to free up your abundance and free up space for this good energy to come into you, to come into your life. So allow that violet flame to cleanse you from any negativity that's making you feel restless or dispirited or sad and lonely. Cleanse that energy today. Use your power with wisdom and joy. So allow yourself to be cleansed. Free up this good energy so that you can let your imagination flow. Okay. So Archangel Zadkiel is with you today to help you free yourself from the burden of any negative relationships that have been casting a shadow over you. Okay, so what's your divine energy calling for you to do today? So the divine energy oracle, what is your divine energy calling for you to do today? Okay, one more shuffle, thank you. Okay. Thank you, angels. So, Your divine energy is calling for you to strengthen your gifts. And the only way to strengthen your gifts is again by cleansing yourself in that violet flame, allowing yourself to be cleansed in that violet flame, to free you from those lower vibrations, because it's time to raise your vibration so that you can allow this good energy in. This is your wake-up call. This is your wake-up call. Okay. So, see if I can fit all of the, I want to move some objects from the table. There we go. So, strengthen your gifts, raise your vibration. This is your wake-up call. Examine what's important to your spirit right now and forget the rest. Focus especially on your talents and gifts and identify what you need to do to strengthen them. Don't let the negativity of the world override or sabotage your commitment to yourself, and avoid drama-filled conversations that have a demoralizing effect on you. Protect yourself against wasting your divine energy on anything that leads to self-doubt. Your divine energy is calling you to direct your energy towards strengthening your talents and gifts. Beware of negativity that could sabotage your confidence. Quietly work to improve your talents and don't waste time in meaningless pursuits. So don't let yourself waste time in meaningless pursuits. Believe in yourself. Be faithful and consistent as you master your talents, and be patient with the demands they make on you. With your divine helpers working alongside you, your efforts will be worthwhile in the long run. So, what do you need to do today to raise your vibration? Are you suffering from vague physical ailments, headaches, bellyaches, phantom pains, or worse? Are you struggling to feel healthy and strong? Don't panic and don't interpret any physical challenges or ailments as signs of failure or weakness. Your body's complaints are simply its way of alerting you to the need to release old patterns and unexpressed feelings so that you have a clear and active physical vibration. Embrace them lovingly and thank your visible self for working so hard to properly house your spirit. Consciously choose to cast off useless feelings of depression, sorrow, or self-recrimination in order to retrieve your health. Your divine energy is calling you to introduce your body to a higher, more positive, healthy vibration through loving and healthy choices and thoughts. Discipline your mind to focus on those energies that enable you to love your body and listen to it with patience and interest. If it's troubled, it's alerting you to release what no longer serves you. By letting go of old patterns, you'll raise your vibration and enhance your physical and psychic vitality. This is your wake-up call to release those lower vibrations right now. Right now. Today is the day. Okay, this is your wake-up call. So as your consciousness begins to awaken and desires to expand, it creates an inner restlessness that you can't deny. This energetic influx is a wake-up call from your divine self to remember your soul's commitments, those lessons and intentions that you came to learn and fulfill when you incarnated into physical form and began your life's journey. Heed this wake-up call by honestly examining your life as it is today. Ask yourself how satisfied you feel so far. Look at not only what's there, but also what's missing. What inner signals from your soul have you been ignoring? What vibes have you denied for fear of disrupting the status quo? And what distractions are keeping you from listening to your soul's summons to reclaim your divine power? No matter, the call cannot be silenced, nor can it be ignored. It is time for you to become fully powerful today. Your divine energy is calling you to wake up from slumber and reconnect with your authentic self. Welcome any internal restlessness you're feeling as an indication of your divine self awakening. Even though it may be uncomfortable now, it would be far worse to live indefinitely in an unconscious way. Be honest about what is not working in your life and know it is time to change this reality. You will receive guidance in how to successfully improve this if you are receptive and willing. Rest assured that this guidance will soon come. This guidance is soon, wow, on its way to you. Okay, ding! We're going to pull some more cards. They've all fallen on the floor right now, but we are going to pick them all up and pull some messages. That's very interesting. Some of these cards are flipped up and flipped down. Okay, maybe that's the energy. Okay, there's a song there by Katy Perry, I'm sure there is. Okay, so with the divine door, let's put the divine doors. A divine doors message card. Okay, no, it went back in. It flipped. A moment's joy. This is your wake-up call. Haha. This is your, what was I going to say? This is your wake-up call to find yourself a moment's joy. Sand through the hourglass, yet time could stand still. A moment lasts forever in the bliss of the heart's will. So raise your vibration so that you can reconnect to the joyful moments. Distant dream. The distance calls your heart to roam free. As you dare dream it, so it must be. You can dream it. You can conceive it. Okay. So, if you can dream it, you can conceive it. So, our final message today from the universe. Let's pull the universe has your back card to finish our reading today. I feel that we will keep this message nice and short. My outer experiences are a reflection of my inner condition. And this is the work that you are needing to get through, to work through today. To raise your vibration so that you can focus again on the joyful moments in life. To release yourself from the burdens of others' negativity. To release yourself from the pain of suffering. Allow yourself to walk your journey the way that you wish to, the way that you see it in your dreams. Allow yourself to go for that. Raise your vibration, no matter what other people think or say or want to do. That's on them. Allow yourself to follow your heart, to follow your dreams, to know that things from yesterday, well, that's already been. What can you learn from that? When I'm in alignment with love, when I'm in alignment with the love of the universe, peace cannot be disrupted. So allow yourself that moment, because the moment you embrace your peace within and surrender the outcome is the moment that the universe can truly get to work. So allow yourself that moment today to be cleansed under the violet flame, to release the negativity, the stress, and know that forgiveness and peace are yours for you to claim. So if you like this reading today, maybe that's your affirmation. If I could remember it. Allow yourself this moment's joy today. Much love, everybody. Thank you again for joining me. Happy Thursday. I shall be back again very soon. Let's put a Sacred Rebels Oracle next. Take care. Much love. Bye for now.